10 simple ways to keep your bathroom fresh without air fresheners. Before we begin, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below how you take care of your bathroom. Thank you. Maintaining the cleanliness of our homes is immensely important, but also a challenging task. It requires constant effort, and just when you think you're finally done, some strange odor appears. The bathroom is usually a place no one wants to clean, but it can be the easiest if you play your cards right. And today, we offer you several tricks to make it happen. Your bathroom can even become a pleasant and fragrant space that no one will complain about having to clean again. Today, we've prepared 10 great tricks for you to make your bathroom smell amazing. 1. Keep towels dry. Storing towels in the bathroom while they are still damp is a bad idea in any room in the house. However, in the bathroom, it's especially bad because it's a very humid space. It's recommended to dry towels immediately after use, either in the sun or on a radiator. Additionally, frequent washing and hanging instead of folding are essential. 2. Harness the power of lemons. Lemons are your best friends for cleaning and eliminating odors. Besides leaving a pleasant aroma and neutralizing unpleasant smells, lemon is a powerful natural cleanser due to its high citric acid content. Ideally, use a lemon by rubbing it around the bathroom after cleaning with a regular household cleaner to prolong its effects on surfaces. 3. Aromatize with oils. Aromatic oils are excellent allies in preventing odors and creating a pleasant home atmosphere. This applies to your bathroom as well. Soak a cotton ball in baby oil or another preferred essential oil and strategically place it in the bathroom. For example, put one in the trash bin before inserting a liner, so every time you open it, the entire room fills with a pleasant aroma. Another good spot is on the toilet paper roll or near your toothbrush. 4. Water and fabric softener. Ensure your towels always smell good, especially those you use most frequently, like hand towels, by spraying them with a mixture of water and fabric softener. This mixture can also be used as a DIY room freshener. 5. Baking soda's cleaning power. Another reliable household cleaner is baking soda, known for neutralizing even the toughest odors. Use it in a combination with hot water for cleaning surfaces. Let the resulting mixture sit for a while before wiping it clean, especially effective when combined with other cleaning agents. 6. Scented toilet brush. Enhance the often neglected toilet brush by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil to its holder. This not only keeps the brush smelling pleasant but also subtly fragrances the entire bathroom. 7. Aromatic soaps. When considering bathroom scents, don't overlook the impact of the soap you use. Opt for fragrant soaps to enjoy a continuous pleasant aroma every time you wash your hands. 8. Add laundry fragrance. Spritzing water mixed with fabric softener or your preferred laundry detergent onto your frequently used towels adds a burst of fresh scent. This mixture can also be used as a DIY room freshener. 9. Homemade air freshener. Craft your own air freshener using a glass bottle, sticks, water, alcohol, and your favorite essential oils. This DIY solution is not only cost-effective but also customizable to your favorite scents. 10. Daily ventilation. The simplest and healthiest trick of all is likely the most obvious: let your bathroom breathe. Open the windows for at least 15 minutes every day to allow fresh air to circulate, removing any lingering odors and ensuring a healthier environment. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more home care tips. And share your favorite bathroom care strategies in the comments below. Thank you for watching.